Your ultimate Facebook page setup guide in 2023. Log in to your personal Facebook account and navigate to the top menu bar. Click on the Create button followed by Page in the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate category for your business and fill in the required business details. Customize your profile and cover photos to create a visually appealing and recognizable page. Create a unique username that reflects your business name or industry. Connect your new Facebook business page to other social media platforms to increase visibility and reach. Once your page is set up, it's important to post valuable content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Additionally, consider leveraging tools like Facebook ads and Facebook shops to promote products and services. Set up your business information. A well-structured Facebook business page should include accurate and complete business information. Customize your profile and cover photos. Your profile and cover photos are the first visual elements of your Facebook business page that users will see. Connect your page to other social media platforms. Connecting your Facebook business page to other social media platforms is essential for increasing visibility and reach. Optimizing your Facebook business page for success. Optimizing your Facebook business page is crucial for increasing engagement and reach. One key component of optimization is using call to action (CTA) buttons on your page. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for maintaining a strong presence on your Facebook business page. Monitor page insights. Monitoring your Facebook page insights is essential for understanding your performance and making decisions about your content strategy. Facebook Insights provide valuable information about your page's reach, visits, and engagement. By analyzing this, you can identify trends and patterns in user engagement, which will aid decisions about the content you share. Integrate Facebook Shops. Integrating Facebook Shops into your Facebook business page can provide a significant boost to your online sales. Schedule posts with Business Suite. Business Suite is a powerful tool that enables you to publish or schedule posts to both your Facebook and Instagram accounts. This feature helps you to identify the most effective days and times to reach your target audience. Maintaining and growing your Facebook business page. Maintaining and growing your Facebook business page requires consistent effort and attention. Keeping up to date with posting content, engaging with viewers and updating page information will all help to give you a strong page presence. Develop a content calendar. A content calendar is a valuable tool for planning and organizing content for your Facebook business page. By creating a content calendar, you can ensure you're consistently posting engaging content that aligns and resonates to your viewers and your brand. Collaborate with other pages and influencers. Collaborating with other pages and influencers can increase visibility and engagement on your Facebook business page.